In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook. You cannot use this feature right now. The error "you cannot use this feature right now" on Facebook usually means that Facebook has temporarily restricted your account from using a specific feature like posting, commenting, messaging or joining group. The restriction is not permanent. Facebook "you cannot use this feature right now" problem face you violate Facebook community guideline or community standard, posting spam or fake information, too many friend requests or message requests in a short time, using automation tools or suspicious third-party apps. Then you can face Facebook "you cannot use this feature right now" problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Most restrictions are temporary, 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days or 30 days. You will automatically access after the time expire. Check the notification tab to see how to long the restriction latest. Step 2. Open your Facebook apps. Tap on 3 line or profile picture. Tap on help and support. Tap on report problem. Tap on report problem. Wait a few seconds. Again tap on include. Scroll down. Tap on profile. You can briefly explain your problem on Facebook support team. You can briefly explain your problem and send report. Report sent complete. Then wait a few hours or days, then solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.